Lesson 63 is about changing rates. Now, remember that the word rate can also be used for speed. When we're talking about how fast something is going or what is the rate of something being done, we're talking about speed. So let's read this example and see where is the change, because notice that we already worked with rates, but now we're going to talk about changing rates. So it says, Prince Charming travels 60 leagues in 2 days. Now, from our previous lessons, we know that what we have to do is put 60 over 2 and reduce that. So it would be 30 leagues in 1 hour. What is a league? A league is just a measurement of distance. So it's like 1 kilometer or 1 mile. Then he doubled his rate. So how do we double the rate? This is the original. Let's put here, original. And then there's a change. What is the change in this case? That he doubled. Double means times 2. Okay? Now notice I'm not doing 2 over 2. It's just times 2. And so that means that the new rate is that he's going, instead of 30 leagues in 1 hour, he's going 60 leagues in 1 hour. Now it says, how long would it take him to go 300 leagues at the new speed? So 300 leagues, we'll put 300 leagues here. And we're going to use our unit multipliers as we usually do, using the new speed. So 60 leagues go on the bottom, 1 hour on the top. And we divide. And if I divide that, it's 5 hours. And that's our answer. Let's look at this second example. It says the machine could cap 500 bottles in 2 hours. That is our rate, and we start by finding that. So it's 500 bottles in 2 hours. Now remember, we always simplify it if we can, so that we know how many in 1 hour. Remember, that's the original rate. Then there's going to be a change. Okay, so look for that. It says, if the rate of the machine were triple, so triple means times 3. So I'm going to put here times 3. And we know that then that means that there is a new rate. So let's put new here. And we multiply 250 times 3, which is 750 bottles in 1 hour. Okay, remember, we don't multiply the bottom, just the top. And then the question says, how many bottles could be capped in 10 hours at the new rate? So again, we put 10 hours there. We open our unit multiplier, and we're going to use the new rate. And we want hours on the bottom, so we'll put 1 hour there. 750 bottles, which is the new rate, on the top. And if we multiply, that is 7,500 bottles. And that's it. That's our answer. Very, very simple. Just remember to follow these. Write first the original, the change, and then the new rate, so that you can have very clear what number is the new rate, and you can use that in your process. Let's look at this third example. It says Paul ran 6 miles in 2 hours. So again, 6 miles in 2 hours. Then he ran 20 miles in 4 hours. They're just giving us the information for us to find the two different rates. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 miles per hour. And 20 divided by 4 is 5 miles per hour. So then it says, by how much did his rate increase? Well, it went from 3 to 5, so it increased by 2 miles per hour. And that's it. That's our answer. Very, very simple. So go back, do some practice, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you in the next lesson.